For 1 minute.
I rise today to join my colleagues in the Congressional Black Caucus and will continue to work with them and proceed to analyze the very wrong-headed decision that was made by the United States Supreme Court on the question of affirmative action. I thank the gentlelady from Florida, the gentleman from New York, and certainly the gentleman from Nevada in their leadership. But I rise today as a clear recipient of affirmative action, and particularly in higher education. I may have been admitted on affirmative action, both in terms of being a woman and a woman of color, but I can declare that I did not graduate on affirmative action. This is my personal story. But as I read the Supreme Court opinion, led by Justice Roberts and a number of justices reading their opinion aloud, they really miscued and misdirected what affirmative action is. Affirmative action is affirmatively selecting out of the group of excellent persons who happen to be people of color who would not have been noted, recognized, or accepted heretofore. And that is evident because that did not happen in the 20th century, in the 19th century, where African Americans in particular were not admitted to institutions of higher learning, such as the Ivy Leagues and other schools. And so this very mean-spirited decision will close the door of opportunity to many, from Latinos to Asians to African Americans to Anglos. My plea tonight is that this Congress looks squarely at ensuring that America and her cities are open to equal opportunity, and affirmatively we ensure that everyone has a seat at the table of empowerment. I yield back.